Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming mobile data and that your carrier permits tethering. This prevents wasted troubleshooting. Next, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to refresh connections because radios sometimes lock. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Turn the hotspot on. You'll see the network name and status. Keep this screen open so you can watch whether clients attempt to connect while we move to deeper checks. Now you handle the nuanced causes. Pick a clear SSID and a strong password and switch the band to 2. 4 GHz if devices struggle with 5 GHz. This fixes many compatibility issues. Make sure battery saver and data saver are off, since they can block tethering in the background. Also check for a system update and carrier settings update because outdated firmware often breaks hotspot certificates or drivers. After updates, reboot and try connecting another device to verify progress. To finish, test the hotspot with a second device to isolate whether the phone or client is at fault. If Wi-Fi fails, try USB tethering or Bluetooth to narrow it down. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles and only use a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. If none of that works, call your carrier to confirm there's no hotspot block, suspension, or data cap. This is the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.